How to type bold text in Facebook bio. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there's no way for you to type bold text from the Facebook app itself. For example, if I wanted to write my bio here, say for example, the bio will be just written like this with the normal text and the normal font. However, if you wanted to write it in bold, there's an easy workaround that we can use. Let me just copy this. You need to copy your bio, and then you need to open any browser you have, it doesn't matter, and then search for bold text generator. Bold generator. And as you can see, there's a lot of websites here, but they basically all do the same work, so pick and choose any one of them, it doesn't matter. I'm going to choose this random one, and then you need to paste your bio here, and as you can see, it has generated the same bio in different bold fonts, which you can choose from. These are all bold fonts. Say for example, I'm going to choose the first one. Just copy it and then go back to your bio and just paste it here. Let's paste this one. As you can see, it has been pasted with the same font that we have copied, and then click save, and there you have it. The bio has now changed to that bold font that we have chosen, and you can do the same too with whatever bio you have and whatever font you want to choose. So that was it for this video. That's how you can write in bold on your Facebook bio. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.